If this video gets 50 likes, I'll build this RC car from scratch and give it an awesome custom modification. Let's make it happen.